Hi, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Ahmad Fikri bin Zulkarnain, and I'm from DM02. Okay, so today I would like to present about our synchronized safety locks with Arduino. So here's the overview of our presentation. The first one is our team members, and next one is picture of product, introduction, problem statement, product objective, product description, product fabrication, product demonstration, and the last one is commercial value. Okay. So first of all, let me introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Fikri bin Zulkarnain, and this is my team members, which is Muhammad Qayyum bin Azman and Muhammad Faris bin Abdul Khalim. So, so this is our picture of product, which is the synchronized safety locks with Arduino. So the introduction. The crime rate nowadays has increased by years. Most crimes that happen involve robbery, theft, and house breaking. So that is why we need safety locks to prevent from the crimes to happen. So this is the problem statement of our products, which is normal locks are easy to break. Next one is normal locks don't have built-in alarms to alert the user if someone tries to break it. Next one is normal locks cannot synchronize with each other. And the last one, normal locks only have one power source, either DC or battery. So for our product objective, so our objective is the innovation of safety locks that can synchronize to each other by using Arduino. The lock can be unlocked using phones, and the body of the lock is made of stainless steel, which makes it quite durable. The lock and has an alarm.
Hi, Assalamualaikum and very good morning. I am Muhammad Qayyum Azman from DEM02. For the final year project, we present the project design, the project programming and juga the project circuit diagram. Our group choose to build a synchronized safety lock with Arduino. Okay, firstly we can see the project design I built. I use the Autodesk Inventor Professional 2023. This is for the housing for our product. In this housing, I will put all of the component, which is the Arduino Nano as the microcontroller, buzzer, sensor, and also our Bluetooth module. For the dimension of this housing, we use the length of 20 cm times 10 cm and times 5 cm per centimeter. But other than that, at the front of the housing, I put a hole, which is the only 2.2 centimeter suitable for the size of solenoid that we use to make sure the movement of the solenoid will be not be disturbed by the housing we build. By the way, I use the sheet metal for this design. This is for the cover we use in our project, which is only 10 cm and times 20 centimeter. When we assembly both of this both of this part, we will close fully the housing except the hole for the solenoid. Okay, finally the drawing. The first part, which is the main body, we use the stainless steel as the material, and for the second part, which is the cover, we only use the transparent cover to make sure our panel can see our component we put inside. Next, I will go to the circuit diagram. The firstly and the circuit diagram, we use the Arduino Nano as the microcontroller, and then we use the Bluetooth module, relay, DC power jack, buzzer, pressure sensor, and also the solenoid. The relay will control the solenoid to trigger it on or off. The pressure sensor pula, pressure sensor act as the safety measurement, which is if pressure sensor detect any pressure on him, he will ring the buzzer to make sound and notify the user. And this is our coding. We use the Arduino for the Arduino Nano, and this is the command we use for the relay, which is if the relay we on, it will go to the height and the solenoid will push out. But if the relay is off, the relay will be in low condition and the solenoid will turn back to original position. That's all from me, Muhammad Qayyum bin Azman from DM02.
Okey, untuk cara untuk sambungkan smart lock apps aplikasi smart lock ini kepada projek kami adalah dengan menggunakan apps yang kami buat iaitu daripada MIT. And untuk sambungkan, firstly kita akan onkan switch ini, dan ini adalah Bluetooth modul yang akan berkelip, dan kita akan pilih local one status. Pastikan anda telah pair Bluetooth dengan Bluetooth modul yang telah disediakan, dan untuk projek ini kami menggunakan Bluetooth modul HESI05. So kami akan just sambungkan, tekan kepada HESI05 yang telah di-pairkan, dan secara automatik dia akan sambung lah. Okay, untuk next edition kita orang tambahan pula di dalam projek kami kita orang meletakkan buzzer dan juga vibration sensor. Ini dah contoh kita orang punya projek yang dah siap, dan ini kita orang tak assemble lagi tapi still lengkap, iaitu sini adalah vibration sensor. Kalau anda boleh dapat lihat dengan teliti, ini ada main switch dia untuk onkan pressure sensor. So apabila pressure sensor bergoncang, dia akan membuatkan buzzer berbunyi, dan dia akan alert lah kepada pengguna smart lock system ni. Dan sama juga seperti konsep dalam ni, kami telah meletakkan komponen dalam stainless steel body part ni. So apabila digoncang ataupun ditepuk, buzzer ni akan tetap akan berbunyi. Sekian, terima kasih.